Hello guys, welcome to Python program video series. Today we are going to see palindrome. What is palindrome? And we'll write one program to check if the string is palindrome or not. So first of all, we'll see what is palindrome. A palindrome is a word or number or phrase or any other sequence of characters which reads the same backward as forward. So we'll take one example for this. Suppose madam. You can see here the last word is mm, then aa and then d. Suppose if you read from here to here, it is madam only, and from backward to forward it is madam only. So this string is basically palindrome. Another example is race car. You can see r r a a c c e. If you read from forward to backward, race car, and from backward to forward, race car only. Now you understood what is palindrome. So let's write one program to check if the string is palindrome or not. So basically it is a very simple program. So let's take one string from user str. I will give name as str only. So this is variable input, enter the string. So by default Python will take any input as a string only, so that's why we are not declaring any data type here. And declare the another string, empty string will declare one. So this we will use in our program to write the logic. So what we are going to do here, suppose the user has entered any string. So what we'll do, we'll save that string from backward to forward in this w string. So this is w string, it is currently empty. So to do that task, we'll use for loop for I in str. W is equal to I plus w. So what is happening here, w is empty currently and str. So for I in str, so what it is taking, I is nothing but the first letter of str. So you can see in. So first time it will be first letter, then again it will run, and then the second letter, then third letter, like this. So it will iterate till string completes. Okay, and it is basically appending the string in backward to forward. Means what we are doing here, first it is empty, then suppose we'll take one example. Suppose we'll enter madam. So suppose user has entered madam, what will happen, so it will take m, then m plus w is empty, so over w, then a, then a plus m, am, then again d, so d plus am, d am, right? Now if string is equal to w, means if both are same, then the entered string is palindrome. If it is not matched, then else print the entered string is not palindrome. So let me run this program. Suppose if you enter madam, you can see here the string is palindrome. Suppose if you enter any random string, You can see the string is not palindrome. Hope you understood the logic. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. We'll see you in next video. Thank you.